The famous Kumbh Mela is celebrated in which city?
I'm not sure. I haven't done history since 7th grade.
Option 1. Sorry. Today we are at Nyati County. We are starting our new segment in Vatsapadam. This is called Vatsapadam's How Well Do You Know Your Country? How Well Do You Know India? So we are going to start right now. Be with us. Welcome to Vatsapadam's How Well Do You Know India? So please introduce yourself.
Yes, my name is Priscilla.
Yes, and I'm Jeff.
Okay. Are you ready for the challenge? Yes. The first question. The famous Kumbh Mela is celebrated in which city? I'll give you 4 options. Okay? Haridwar, Varanasi, Allahabad, Ujjain.
I know the festival, but I forgot which city. Can we go with option 1?
Option 1. Sorry. It is Allahabad. Which of these is a classical dance from Tamil Nadu? Okay? Bharatnatyam, Kathakali, Kuchipudi and Odissi. One answer, right? Okay? Next one. The Ganga Arati is famously performed on which river? Yamuna, Ganga, Godavari and Narmada.
Ganga.
Correct. So 2 right. Okay. What is the capital city of India? New Delhi. Okay. We have 3 right, 3 answers right, and the last question. What is the national flower of India? So it is rose, lotus, lily, jasmine.
Lotus.
Correct. So congratulations, you win our ultralight chamomile moisturizer, right? So this is our flagship product. It's very light. It can be used on any type of skin, and it's got hyaluronic acid and chamomile in it. So it's extremely good for oily skin as well as dry skin. And please visit our website to get have a look at all other products. Welcome to Vatsapadam's How Well Do You Know India? Are you ready for the challenge? Yes. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Gia and I'm born here, so I've just been here my whole life.
Very nice. Alright, shall we start the quiz? Yes. The first question. In which state is famous Ajanta and Ellora caves located? 4 choices. Right? Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. Alright, it's Maharashtra. Okay, the second one. The 5 questions, second one. Which is the highest mountain peak in India? Mount Everest, K2, Kanchenjunga and Nanda Devi.
Is it Everest?
Correct. First one, right? Next one. Taj Mahal is located in which Indian city? Delhi, Agra, Lucknow, Jaipur. Correct. You get 2. 2 right. Now this is our 4th question. The famous Battle of Plassey was fought between British and which Indian ruler? Mir Qasim, Nawab Siraj ud Dowla, Maharaj Ranjit Singh and Tipu Sultan. You can just make your guess.
I'm not sure. I haven't done history since 7th grade.
Alright, so the last question. Who was the last ruler of Mughal Empire? Akbar, Shah Alam II, Aurangzeb, Bahadur Shah. Sorry. Alright, so you get 2 answers right. So we have a lip balm for you. You can make a choice between a plain one or a tinted one. Tinted one, yes. And this is a petroleum-free lip balm.
Oh, thank you.
It's got very nice. So it's got shea butter, cocoa butter, mango, olive oil, and all the goodness in that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So, you're ready for the challenge? Yes. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Arsha and I've lived here my whole life and I'm in school currently.
Great. Alright, so your first question. So, which ancient Indian emperor was known as the Great for his contributions to Buddhism? Okay? Chandragupta Maurya, Ashoka, Harsha, Vikramaditya.
Ashoka.
Very good. Yes. That's bullseye. Next one. The famous Baisakhi festival is celebrated in which state? Okay? Punjab, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu.
Rajasthan.
It's Punjab. Okay, third question. What is most common attire worn during festival of Onam in Kerala? Okay, sari, lungi, mundu, sherwani.
Sherwani.
Mundu, it's Kerala. Who is known as the father of the nation in India? Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Mahatma Gandhi.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Correct. Okay, the last question. Okay, in which city is the famous Red Fort located? Lucknow, Varanasi, Delhi, and Jaipur.
Delhi.
Correct.
Thank you.
Right? So, we have 3 and above. We have here our chamomile moisturizer, right? So, this is our flagship product. This has chamomile and it's got hyaluronic acid. And it's all natural product, without petroleum product, without harmful chemicals and all that. So, do try our product. Welcome to How Well Do You Know India? So this is from Vatsapadam. I'm going to ask you 5 questions and you can answer them and then you win free gifts. Okay? Shall we start? Are you ready for the challenge?
Yes, we can. We are.
Please introduce yourself.
So my name is Darshan Shah and I'm a resident here. Yeah, looking forward to the challenge.
Thank you.
And my name is Yasha.
Great. And which class are you in?
6.
6. Very nice. Okay, shall we start? Your first question is, who was the first emperor of Mughal Empire?
Babar.
Tell you the choices. Great. Okay. The second question, the Rath Yatra festival is famously celebrated in which city? I'll give you the choices. Rameshwaram, Puri, Ujjain, Mathura. Jagannath Rath Yatra.
Jagannath Puri.
Puri. Correct. What is the capital city of Maharashtra?
Mumbai.
Mumbai. Alright. So all 3, right? The famous Sanchi Stupa is located in which state?
You know?
Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan.
No, not Rajasthan. Sanchi Stupa, right?
Yeah.
It is, I think, in Bihar. Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh. Yes, Madhya Pradesh. The last one. Which Indian state is known as Land of 5 Rivers? Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh.
Punjab.
Correct. All 5 right. Congratulations. So you win our ultralight chamomile moisturizer. It is a natural moisturizer which is very light that can be used on all skin types. Secondly, it's got hyaluronic acid which is very good for hydration. It gives you 24 hours hydration. Very little will go a long way. Thank you so much. You are ready?
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Tanzila and I'm a housewife.
Wonderful. Shall we start? Yes, ma'am. So your first question is, which is the largest state in India by area? I'll give you the choices. Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh.
Rajasthan. Second one. Which state is known for its tea gardens, especially in Darjeeling? Kerala, West Bengal, Assam and Tamil Nadu.
Assam.
Darjeeling.
That.
West Bengal, right. So one answer right. Which state is the largest producer of spices in India? Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat.
Kerala.
Right. So you got 2 answers right out of 3 questions. Alright. The Chilka Lake is located in which state? Chilika Lake, sorry. Yes. Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu.
I don't know. I just give a try. Tamil Nadu.
Odisha. Okay. Last question, ma'am. The famous Indian philosopher Adi Shankaracharya was born in which state? Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh.
Karnataka.
Kerala. He's born in Kerala. We have the lip balms that is coming to you as a gift.
Yes.
So you want tinted one or the plain one?
Indian one.
Tinted one. So our lip balms are made up of shea butter, cocoa butter, olive oil, beeswax, ma'am. And there are no petroleum ingredients. They are very safe to use, even for children. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for participating. Yes, Welcome to Vatsapadams. How well do you know India? Now, what is your name? Introduce yourself.
My name is Surya Amit Gule.
You are which class?
I am in class 6.
Class 6.
Yes.
Are you ready for the challenge?
Yes.
Yes. Madhuri Dixit, okay, is associated with which field? Okay? Sports, literature, film industry, or politics? आइए माधुरी दीक्षित which field? Sports, literature, film industry, or politics? अब you can आप भी बोल सकते हैं film industry. ठीक है. Which river flows through the city of Varanasi? ठीक है. अभी मैं choices देती हूँ. हाँ? वाराणसी में which river flow करता है? ठीक है. यमुना, गंगा, गोदावरी, नर्मदा. वाराणसी में काशी which river flows? Ganga. Very good. Two answers right. Okay. Third, which famous Indian city is known as City of Lakes? Okay, City of Lakes. पहला है जयपुर, उदयपुर, भोपाल, मुंबई.
Lake कुठे चमकी नसे.
Mumbai.
It is Udaipur. There are a lot of palaces also there. Okay. Now the fourth question. The famous Golden Temple, the very famous Golden Temple, is located in which city? Okay. Listen to the choices. Amritsar, Chandigarh, Delhi, Varanasi.
बाबा ने आई गेल ते बघ.
दिल्लीला नाते गेले. Options काय आहे?
Amritsar. Okay, very good. 3 questions done. Last question. Okay. Who wrote the famous Indian epic Mahabharata? Vyasa, Valmiki, Kalidasa, Kautilya.
कौटिल्य.
व्यासदेव. चलो 3 करेक्ट 2 रॉन्ग. ठीक है. तो 3 करेक्ट 2 रॉन्ग के लिए हमारा कैमोमाइल मॉइस्चराइजर. ठीक है. फ्री मैम. आज प्रमोशन चल रहा है ना प्रोडक्ट का, तो फ्री है. इसमें नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट्स है, बच्चे भी लगा सकते हैं. तो उसमें ऑयली स्किन, ड्राई स्किन सबका हो सकता है. बहुत कम लेना पड़ता है एंड इट स्प्रेड्स वेरी नाइसली. और 24 आवर्स मॉइस्चराइज देता है. ड्राई स्किन कुछ नहीं आता. और उसमें हाइलुरोनिक एसिड है जो 24 आवर्स हमको वो मॉइस्चराइजर देता है. थैंक यू फॉर पार्टिसिपेटिंग. In which Indian state is the Valley of Flowers located? तो first the choices देती हूँ 4. हिमाचल प्रदेश, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, उत्तराखंड, राजस्थान.
Uttarakhand.
Absolutely right. Which popular river in India is considered sacred by Hindus? Ganges. Right.
Ganges.
Okay. Third question. The famous Kailasha temple is carved out of a single rock in which city? Ellora, Khajuraho, Ajanta, Badami.
Which come again?
Kailasha.
Kailash.
Yes, sir.
What are the
Ellora, Khajuraho, Ajanta, and Badami.
Khajuraho.
Ellora, sir. Ellora. So 2 right. The Indian state of Sikkim borders which 2 countries? China and Nepal, Nepal and Bhutan, China and Bhutan, Nepal and Bangladesh.
China and Bhutan.
Absolutely right. Congratulations. The last question. The national emblem of India is taken from which ancient Indian monument? Ashoka Pillar, Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Sanchi Stupa.
Ashoka Pillar.
Ashoka Pillar. Sir, fantastic. 4 out of 5 we have got. So we have our chamomile moisturizer, sir. This is a natural product made out of chamomile essential oil. ये antibacterial भी है. It is very good for oily skin and dry skin. Hyaluronic acid है, so 24 hours आपको hydration देता है, sir. Thank you so much for participating.
Sure. Thank you.
Ma'am, are you ready for the challenge? How well do you know India?
Yeah, we will see really how well we know it.
Please introduce it.
Okay, I'm Rakhi Anand and I'm teaching in Dhruv.
And he's my husband, Swapnil.
Swapnil, and I work in IT company.
Very nice. Welcome to the challenge. Your first question. The famous Mysore Palace is located in which state? I give you 4 choices. Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu.
Karnataka.
Karnataka, correct. Karnataka is where Mysore Palace is. So, the famous Qutub Minar is located in which city? Delhi? Alright.
Give us the option. It's New Delhi.
New Delhi, alright, correct. So, next question. The Hawa Mahal is located in which city? I haven't even told the answer. The Brahmaputra river flows through which Indian state? West Bengal, Assam, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. Assam. That's the right answer. Brahmaputra. Yes. Now अभी बोल रहे हैं सर. अभी चाइना बिल्ड कर रहे हैं वो बिग डैम बोल रहे हैं देखते हैं. Okay, the last question. Which Indian state is known for famous tea gardens of Darjeeling? Kerala, Assam, Sikkim, West Bengal.
Sikkim.
Which one? Awesome. West Bengal. Darjeeling. Alright. So you got 3 out of 4. So you get our chamomile moisturizer free. Ma'am, this is our flagship product. It is a moisturizer that can be used in for all skin types, oily, dry, anything. And it's got chamomile, fully naturally made without any harmful ingredients. And it has hyaluronic acid which gives you 24 hours protection, ma'am.
The brand and the product is also very nicely done. I mean to say,
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
looks like in an exotic thing. I mean to say, it does compete with the other brand.
Ma'am, it is
Yeah, I did see this. It's 850. I did check.
in we are the premium brand.
Yeah, it's very nice.
This is we're doing as promotion. We want to go to our people area. You know, there is who's a homegrown brand. So we want to come to our people and then tell them about our product. Okay. Are you ready? Ready for the challenge? Please introduce yourself.
My name is Ahana Sen.
Okay. Which class are you in?
5th.
Huh?
I am Shilpi Sen.
Okay. All right. Shall we start? Okay. The first question. Which popular river in India is considered sacred for both Hindus and Sikhs? Okay. The options are Yamuna, Godavari, Narmada and Satluj. Satluj. Correct. Because it is in Punjab. Very good. Very good. Yes. Second question. Ready? Yes. Okay. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? Choices. Okay. Dr. Manmohan Singh, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, Dr. CNR Rao. Well done, well done, well done. Okay, the third one. The famous Ram Setu connects which 2 places? India and Sri Lanka, India and Maldives, India and Bangladesh, India and Nepal.
India and Sri Lanka.
Well done, you're a very intelligent girl. Very good. All right, the fourth question. All 3 right? Very good. Okay. Which is the longest river in India? Okay. Yamuna, Godavari, Ganga, Brahmaputra.
Brahmaputra.
Are you sure?
Ganga.
Ganga is the longest river. All right. Good, good. The last one. The Ajmer Sharif Dargah is located in which Indian state? Okay. Choices: Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Madhya Pradesh.
The biggest state of India. No?
Rajasthan.
Well done, well done. So you are getting our chamomile moisturizer as a gift. Okay. Ma'am, this is a natural product made out of chamomile oil, essential oil and hyaluronic acid. So this gives you 24 hours hydration and it can be used in all skin types. So please, kids can also use, and you need very little because it doesn't need a lot of product. It's very spreadable. You need very little and you can use it. Welcome to Vatsapadam's How Well Do You Know India? So are you ready for the challenge?
Sure.
Yes. Okay. So please introduce yourself.
I am Pranita Sharma. I am a teacher.
Oh, very nice.
I'm Hitesh Sharma. I'm a banker.
Oh, great. Shall we start?
Yeah.
Okay. The first question. The famous Kanha National Park is located in which state? Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat.
Madhya Pradesh.
Kanha National, Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. Sir, not Maharashtra. Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat.
Pradesh, Rajasthan, Pradesh, Gujarat. Gujarat.
Oh, those are Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Second question. Which is the largest island in India? The choices are Andaman Islands, Lakshadweep Islands, Majuli Islands, Goa Island.
Goa.
Ma'am? It's Majuli in Assam. Okay. The next one. Which is the first Indian film to win an Oscar? Mother India, Slumdog Millionaire, Lagan, Gandhi.
Mother India.
Lagan.
No, sir, Slumdog Millionaire. Slumdog. Shivaji Maharaj is associated with which dynasty? Maratha, Gupta, Mughal, Maurya. Our state Maratha, right. The last question. The famous Chhatrapati Shivaji terminus is located in which city? Delhi, Mumbai. So you got 2 right. Okay. So we have lip balms for that. You want a tinted one or a plain one? Tinted one. Then this is made up of shea butter, cocoa butter, olive oil, beeswax. So no petroleum ingredients. We don't use any petroleum ingredients in our product. So very safe. Even kids can use it. Please have it.